Hello everyone, welcome to Answering Why. Today I'm going to share 5 effective ways to start your day energetically. If you find yourself waking up tired and struggling to get through the day with energy, this video is perfect for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you're ready to kickstart your day with energy, let's get started. 1. The power of drinking water. The first step to starting your day right is drinking water. Drinking a glass of water as soon as you wake up helps replenish the fluids your body lost overnight. Scientific studies show that drinking water in the morning can boost your metabolism and aid in flushing out toxins. Water helps stimulate your digestive system, revitalizes your skin, and improves brain function. Additionally, staying hydrated can help manage hunger and support healthy weight management. Understanding the scientific benefits of drinking water first thing in the morning can emphasize how it sets the tone for the rest of your day. 2. Morning exercise. The second step is to incorporate morning exercise into your routine. Exercise releases endorphins, which make you feel more energetic and happy. A short workout in the morning increases your circulation and boosts your energy levels. When you exercise, your heart rate increases, which helps wake up your body. Simple exercises at home, yoga, Pilates, or even a brisk walk can be very effective. Research supports the numerous benefits of exercise, not only for physical health, but also for mental well-being. Exploring studies on the effects of exercise on health and energy can further highlight its importance in your morning routine. 3. Healthy breakfast. The third key is having a healthy breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day as it replenishes your energy reserves. A nutritious breakfast should be rich in protein, fiber, and vitamins. Foods like oatmeal, fresh fruits, nuts, whole grain bread, and eggs can help keep you energized throughout the day. Additionally, a balanced breakfast helps you stay full longer and maintains stable blood sugar levels. Nutrition experts have extensive research supporting the benefits of a healthy breakfast on overall energy and performance. Understanding how a well-rounded breakfast impacts your energy levels and health can be insightful. 4. Starting the day with a positive mindset. The fourth approach is to start your day with a positive mindset. Doing a short meditation or beginning your day with positive affirmations can help you feel more motivated and energetic. A positive mindset reduces stress levels and prepares you mentally for the day ahead. Incorporating a few minutes of meditation, deep breathing, or using positive affirmations can boost your motivation and resilience against daily challenges. Research on the benefits of positive thinking and mindfulness practices can provide valuable insights into their impact on both mental and physical health. 5. Planning and goal setting. Finally, planning and setting goals for your day is crucial. Organizing your day and setting priorities in the morning increases your productivity and helps you know what needs to be done. Setting small goals and working towards them step by step gives you a sense of purpose and motivation. Learning more about daily planning and goal-setting strategies can help you manage your time and achieve your objectives more effectively. Exploring how planning and goal-setting can enhance your productivity and overall quality of life can be beneficial. And there you have it, 5 ways to start your day energetically. By incorporating these simple but effective methods into your morning routine, you can make your days more energetic and productive. I hope these tips help you and make your mornings more enjoyable. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to share your morning routine and experiences in the comments below. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments as well. See you in the next video. Stay energetic and have a fantastic day.